Okay, see you again, everyone. At this time, we're going to study about the question form, with present in past passive voice. How do we make the question? Look at the formula for question, like begin with to be plus subject plus verb 3 plus by plus object. Okay, it is the way that we make the question form. Begin with to be plus subject plus verb 3 plus by plus object. Also to be with we will have 3 em is subject, I be you day, verb 3 refer to verb past participle, like speak, spoke, spoken. So spoken we call verb past participle. Plus by plus object. Okay. Object refer to noun or pronoun. Example: is your money stolen by a girl? Is verb to be your money because subject. Okay. Stolen verb 3 by a girl and object. A girl we can say an object. Okay. Is your money stolen by a girl? So it is the question form. Okay, question form. The answer. Look at the answer, everyone. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So it stands for subject your money. Your money. You with subject it. So yes, it is. Okay. If you answer no, it should have no. It isn't. It isn't. No, it isn't. Okay. One more example. Are these buildings built by her? And but to be this buildings with a plural, so stand for subject day. Stand for subject days. Build. Okay. Verb 3 by and plus object her is an object. Okay. The answer, if you answer yes, they are. Okay. Yes, they are. They stand for the subject buildings. Buildings plural, so we use they. So yes, they are. If you answer no, it's mean that they aren't. Okay, they aren't. Okay. One more example. Is the food cooked by him? So is we can say but to be the food and say subject cooked. You can say verb past participle plus by and him. We can say an object. So him object pronoun, but subject pronoun is he. Okay, he. The answer, yes, it is. So it stands for subject food. Food is singular, so we use it. Yes, it is. If you answer no, it isn't. Or we can say edition. Oh, edition. So the way that you make the question, begin with to be plus subject plus verb 3 plus by plus object. Okay. So for the formula you have to remember, especially immediate refer to present simple, like the passive voice. To know clearly is that you have to remember about the definition, okay? Refer to the use. Is that you have to using one refer to fact for a long time, and two refer to habit or especially a habit, okay? And one more, you have to remember about the formula. Formula we have three, like positive, negative, and question. Okay, positive subject plus verb to be or plus to be plus verb 3 plus by plus object. Negative subject plus to be plus not plus verb 3 plus by plus object. And question, to be plus subject plus by plus verb 3 plus by plus object. So you have to remember three forms: positive, negative, and question. And one more refer to using, or we can say the definition. Okay, you have to remember. And one more point, you have to know about the verb that we use in passive voice is that refer to transitive verb. You know transitive verb. It's the verb that we need direct object and indirect object. Sorry, need and direct object. Okay. Okay, now have homework everyone. Okay, homework. Make 10 sentences with present simple passive voice in question form. Okay. Chấm ra mà cái từ dục chúng muốn present simple passive voice nó không tập trung sầm núa ở bàn đọc từ dục, bàn đọc dục. Okay, goodbye. See you again.